Amazing returns. We just went up 1700%. I just made $170,000. Guys, sometimes this happens. When Bitcoin is trending up, he drag all the coins with Bitcoin. Take a look this trade recap on the private list today. You have a YF DAI, Hype Me Bits, Hyper Fadenza, Jupiter, Settle, Hydurus. Guys, you see those coins with these weird names? They are NFTs. NFTs are another kind of coin. Is basically related with art. That's the reason they pump too much. Take a look at this volume here, guys. On the last hour, guys, $21 million, 2.2, 4.6, 2.9, 1.8, $1.7 million. A lot of people think the money is here on the price. I'm gonna buy this coin, that coin, because the price costs only 1 cent. The price doesn't matter, guys. 1 cent, 131 dollars. The money is here, guys. The money is in the volume. You only trade coin with high volume. Okay. So trade recap. Let's go here. Hyrurus. I just give you an example. The first pump was right here on Monday, right? I shared this trade in the private list around Tuesday. We bought this coin for 0.013 and you put a sell order right here, 10 cents. Guys, we made 700%. Huge returns, guys. I made $7,000 this coin here. 70. Next trade, it's a strong 85% profit, guys. Take a look at this. I got the signal of this coin right here on Wednesday 14. Okay, take a look at this candle right here. It's a volume spike. That's what I'm tracking right now, guys. Volume spike plus buyer power. This is the secret success. So I shared this trade in the private list on Wednesday 14. We bought this coin for $4.50 and you put a sell order right here at $8.50, guys. 85%. I made 8,500. Next trade recap. I left this coin for the last example. Take a look at this insane returns, guys. Let me show something here. It's very important you pay attention to what I'm trying to say, because there's a reason my soft is so precious, because I put 11 years in experience doing this. Apologize for the background noise. It's my dogs play around here. Guys, Cero. Apologize. Right here, Cero. I shared this trade in the private list 2 days ago. We bought this coin for 0.005, guys, half cent, and you put a sell order right here at 3 cents, guys. 450% profit. Okay, one more time. Before the pump, there is a volume spike right here. Take a look how many volume spike. The first volume spike was right here. I don't know if you guys can see there. First volume spike right here, but the main volume spike was right here. Monday 12. Okay, take a look at this volume spike here. Pay attention to this number. On 1 hour before, the volume was 439. Now the volume is $4 million. That's what I'm tracking. Volume spike. So we put a sell order at right here 3 cents, but take a look how much this coin pumps. Let me put a 4-hour chart just so you get an idea how crazy is this. Take a look how much this coin pump, man. Guys, like I mentioned before, I don't control how high the pump goes. That's out of my. I don't control look. This coin was bought for half cent and it put a sell order right here. Now the coin pump up to almost $9. Take a look at this number here, 27,000%. Huge returns, guys. We made 450%. Okay, like I mentioned before, I don't control how high the pump goes. I set up my sell order based on support and resistance, and there's a 4-hour chart. There's a bigger resistance support right here. This is a resistance right here. Okay, 450%. Guys, in order to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I still bearish for Bitcoin. There's no time to buy Bitcoin. When to be a time to buy Bitcoin, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos: Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Polygon, Litecoin, Polkadot. That's all I got to say. Pretty happy today. Feel free to reach me out, and I'd like to say welcome to our new members, Charles, Kevin, and Jessica. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.